Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GALA token. In today's video, I want to show you a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that GALA has formed on the weekly time frame, and we will also watch this very big symmetrical triangle that also has been formed on the weekly time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the video. First of all, let me just show you this big harmonic bullish reversal setup that GALA has formed on the weekly time frame, and you can see that I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon on 1st of Feb on 2022, when the price line entered the buying zone of this very big harmonic Gartley move. And the potential reversals on I've defined up to this support maximum, that is 14.6 cents, by the way, because here we have a very strong support. Previously it has been working as a resistance here and support here as well. Now if we take a look at the target for this bullish Gartley pattern, that is from 46 cents and goes to 71 cents as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley. And if we watch on the live weekly time frame chart here, this is the pattern that I want to show you, is a very big symmetrical triangle. If I switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that we have several touch points at the resistance and few touch points at the support. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 touch points approximately at the support, and several touch points at the resistance. And you can see that movement is very squeezed right now. We have reached at the end of this symmetrical triangle. And if we take a look at the previous history of GALA, then such pattern or such resistance it found here and broke out this resistance here back in November 2021. And after the breakout, if we place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then after the breakout, that was approximately 750% rally. That was very big rally. This time this pattern is bigger than the previous one, therefore we can expect a bigger move. However, the target for this triangle can be conservatively, if I place this trend line here when we touch the support here up to the resistance and place it here at the breakout point at the tip of this triangle approximately, that will be 68 cents. So you can follow this target after the breakout, or you can also follow the Fibonacci sequence based target of this Gartley move, that is from 46.64 cents and goes to 71.15 cents. But in my opinion, we should wait for this breakout before buying GALA token. After this breakout, if we will buy, then we can expect a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.